Hi, Rob Hardy. I just wanted to talk about the ambassador program. How much I really enjoy it. I like it. It's taught really well, but yeah, it's free, so that's a pretty good incentive. But it's unbelievable that it's free. I mean, it's worth thousands, but in what it can make you and help you out and learn an online marketing system. But the profit cycle business that's inside of Ambassador is a whole business. It lets you virtually start a new business from scratch, and it's all done for you. Like you've got to do some work, of course, but everything is given to you. So you should have a look at the link below. And like I said, it's free, and you opt into a free account, and you see what you like if you like it before you go any further. But use the link below, have a quick look, and hopefully you'll join us. Anyway, thanks very much.